Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year.
Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's get into this super cute pearly red nail tutorial. So I already prepped my nails. I'm actually using the Gel X nail extension kit today in Sculpted Square, I believe. And I'm actually going to clip these tips because they're a little too long for the design that I want. And as always, I did see this inspiration on Pinterest, so shout out to the person who I saw this. But after I am done clipping the nails, I'm actually going to file them because it's way easier to shape them while they're raw like this versus when they have all this nail polish on top. I'm going in with this Emily base coat. It also has a top coat that I will be using later, but it's so important that you put a base coat on before you put your polish on because it just makes everything go on so much smoother. Once I have that initial base coat layer, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. For my base nude color, I'm going in with this Mamita gel polish in the color number 3, I believe. And y'all, this is my holy grail. I use it for like every French tip. I think it just has the most perfect pink nude color. It doesn't clash with my skin color or nothing. It just looks so cute. So I'm going to start with one initial layer of this and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going in with the second layer and curing for another 60 seconds. Sometimes I can get a little crazy with the polish and color outside of the lines, which is not a problem because I'm going in with 100% acetone to clean up the sides of my nails. I'm using this sort of pointed but really small brush so it can get into the corners. So this is what we're working with, which is cute, but I want mine more opaque, so I'm going in with a third layer. Now this is more like it. It looks just like my real nail, like it's grown out of my fingers. I'm using this Beetles gel polish in the color A861, which is their whitest white. And I do have a more detailed video on how I achieve my French tips, just using like a brush and acetone to clean it up. I think that this way gives you a lot of space to clean up because, you know, I'm not a professional here. And this section of the video is actually sped up but I really took my time to make these lines really crisp because basically this white is going to be our initial layer before we start putting the color layer on, just so that it's a lot more vibrant. I used this super tiny like skinny brush dipped into the white polish to like clean up and add more polish to the sides, like where it kept wiping off, because you want to make sure that every angle looks good, so it's okay to go in and do some detailing as needed. After that, I'm going to cure each finger individually for 30 to 60 seconds. I think that it really depends on the type of polish that you use, in terms of like how quickly it dries, and it also depends on the actual LED light that you use. But afterwards, this is what your finger will look like. Super cute, super sharp. I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of my fingers. I love a crisp French tip, and I would leave it like this on a regular day, but these are Christmas nails, so let's take it to the next level. I'm going to take this Beetles gel polish in the color 455, and I'm going to go over where I placed the French tip, and then I'm actually going to clean it up again with that same brush, because again, we're going to layer these colors on top of the white so that it can be really vibrant. I slowed this part down because I want y'all to really see how slowly I'm going with cleaning up the nails, and you can almost see like a line of demarcation of where you should stop like cleaning up your nails so that you don't like go into that white underneath. But I think that being extra careful and cleaning it up just makes it look a whole lot better, so make sure you take your time with this step. I'm going in with another Beetles gel polish color in the shade 457. This one is more of like a jelly texture almost, like it's not as opaque. So this is what's going to add that like deep red glitter to our nails. And just like the other nails, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the demarcation line for the French tip. I cured this layer of polish for only 30 seconds because, like I said, it's like clear and opaque, so it's actually going to cure faster. Now we have this red glitter French tip base, which you could also leave as is. I'm going to seal in this design with the Amelie top coat. I got this kit of different pearls. One of them is more like white and the other one is warmer. They also come in several different sizes. I got it off of Amazon. I'll have it linked below. But I'm starting with size 10 and I will be using the Amelie base coat as sort of like a rhinestone glue. If you have that, use it. It's probably stronger, but this is all that I had right now. And basically I'm going to put a little dot where I want the rhinestone to lay. And since the bottom of these are flat, I say that it lays pretty securely. So once I place them where I want them to be, then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And these are the final nails. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below, but this Christmas nail set is so cute. I feel like you could even do it with a green French tip if you wanted to. Like you can really switch it up and get whatever vibe you want going, but it's giving deck the halls. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye! Mwah.